Alright, y'all boys, as y'all can see, we back up in this loud ass shop again. We got the Chrysler up on the lift. Y'all see the underglow back already done. Y'all see I got the same fit on because it's the next day. I went to work the next day and shit, so yeah. Here in this video, bro, we gonna be showing y'all, I'm gonna be installing a 180 thermostat. I don't know if I'm gonna add this, make this a two-part video, because this is random as fuck. I might make this a two-part video. So this video, y'all, we gonna be installing this damn, oh shit, I already took it out the bag, 180 thermostat by Ripp. As y'all can see, this is a 180 by Ripp. And we taking that 203 out. I don't know if it's gonna go in that metal housing, so we about to find that out real fucking quick, bruh. So y'all seen me take out the thermostat before, so that's this little piece right here. I did make a video on that when I got my car back together video. And in this video, I'm gonna be doing a burnout for a gender reveal for my boy Nate, bruh. Y'all congratulate Nate up in the comment section, man. So we gonna be doing that shit. So I might put this, I'm gonna put that in this video for sure. I might not do too much of installing the Ripp thing. I'm gonna show y'all step by step a little bit. But y'all know it's pretty simple. I'm gonna show y'all how to install this into that housing, but I'm not gonna show y'all me taking the intake manifold off and just so I can get more access to that hose down there. But yeah, y'all boys just stay tuned. Yeah, we gonna get done in like a few seconds. It's gonna be like a little, we're not gonna do a time lapse, but y'all just get the gist. Alright boys, as y'all can see, we at this part of the swap for the coolant and shit. Y'all know the coolant thing is back here. Instead of taking all this off, I just took the bumper off because it's way easier. It's a couple bolts and bumper slide off. And there's a little thing. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it. It's like that little thing right there. You just turn that, and then you could drain the coolant from the radiator. And then as y'all can see, we got Mopar genuine shit right there. And yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the swap for the coolant and shit, basically. But I took the thing off up there. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, we finna get back to work, and then I'm gonna get back at y'all when I'm done. All right, y'all boys, hopefully y'all can hear me. This like the how you install the Ripp kit thing. Excuse this, I ain't got nowhere to really set the camera, so hopefully y'all can see this right here. So what you want to do is you want to press down and twist it like that, and then make sure you don't lose the spring. So then you put this piece, take this off, and then here's your thermostat. This is what you got, what your thermostat should look like. And then you will get the Ripp one. I'm gonna just set that down right there, and I'll compare two to show y'all what they look like. Alright, hopefully y'all can hear me. Like I said, I don't got nobody to hold the camera, so fuck. I'm sorry about these angles, but this is me comparing the 180 obviously look a little bigger than the 203. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm about to install them the same way you take it out, the same way you put them back in. I'll try to show it as best as I can. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'm trying to show as best as I can. It's shit kind of hard. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's gonna be a little hard to like do it, but y'all get the gist. You press it down and twist it. I just can't do it, and like trying to show y'all at the same time, it's hard for me to do that. But basically, you just pressing this down, make sure it seat back in and twisting it. That's about it. And yeah, y'all. All right, not kid y'all not, like literally 2 seconds. I just stopped the video and it resumed it. Literally, it's so easy to put it back on. I'm not even gonna lie, but it's hard to do it and record if you ain't got nobody recording for you. But yeah, that's basically how you install a 180 thermostat. And obviously, I got the aluminum housing. It's my preference to get the aluminum housing. I know some people run the plastic one. I like the aluminum one just because the plastic one kept cracking due to heat and shit. And you know, plastic underneath a hot ass engine bay is not good. So yeah, I'm gonna end up washing this off really quickly. Just the type of person I am. I want the engine bay to be a little clean, so I'm gonna just clean this up a little bit and put everything back together. I'll resume the video when I'm putting coolant and shit back in the car, because as y'all see, I did a little much. I took everything off, took the whole front bumper off so I could drain out the old coolant, because I want to put the genuine fluid back in. But yeah, y'all, that's about it for the install of this. I'm gonna resume the video when I'm putting the coolant back in, and like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna continue this video until the next day. The next Saturday, when we gonna be going to the baby shower and shit. This is the reason why I'm swapping this, because I keep overheating when I'm sliding and shit. So I'm gonna swap this for my boy Nate, so we could get that good ass burnout in. And yeah, y'all don't forget to congratulate Nate up in the comment section, man. I'm so happy for my boy, having a baby and shit. But yeah.